Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and even predict. This isn't science fiction, it's our reality. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. In the blink of an eye, AI has become a ubiquitous part of our lives. It's in the smartphones we use, the music we stream, and even in the way we shop online. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? In its simplest form, AI is a broad term that refers to machines or software that mimic human intelligence. It's all about creating systems that understand, learn, and react just like we do. But don't be fooled into thinking that AI is a recent phenomenon. It's actually a journey that spans decades of innovation and evolution. From basic rule-based systems to the advanced deep learning models of today, the world of AI is a fascinating one. AI is not a new concept, but a journey of innovation and evolution. Let's dive into this journey. AI has come a long way since its inception. It's no longer about machines following preset rules. We embarked on our AI journey with rule-based systems. These were essentially digital decision trees. Think of them like an elaborate flowchart where every yes or no answer led to a different outcome. These systems were only as good as the rules that were programmed into them. They couldn't learn, adapt, or predict. They were tools, nothing more. But then came a breakthrough. This was the concept of machine learning, the seed from which modern AI has grown. Machine learning turned the traditional model of programming on its head. Instead of telling a machine what to do, we started teaching it how to learn. It's like the difference between giving someone a fish and teaching them how to fish. Machine learning models use algorithms to identify patterns and make decisions based on data. They're not restricted to predefined rules. They can learn from past experiences much like a human would. This opened up a world of possibilities, from voice recognition to image recognition, and even predicting stock market trends. Then a subset of machine learning, called deep learning, took things a step further. It mimics the human brain's own learning process using artificial neural networks. These networks are designed to replicate the way neurons in our brain communicate and process information. Deep learning models can process vast amounts of data, identifying complex patterns that would be impossible for a human to spot. They're the powerhouse behind some of the most advanced AI applications we see today, such as self-driving cars and sophisticated language translation services. And let's not forget generative models. These AI models can create new content, whether it's a piece of music, a work of art, or even a piece of prose. They're the creative artists in the world of AI, pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. As AI evolved, it became more than just a tool. It started learning, adapting, and even predicting. As we continued to refine and advance these models, who knows what the future of AI holds? But how does a machine learn? How does it understand the world around us? Well, the answer lies in the intricate world of AI models. Let's start with machine learning. If you imagine a machine as a student, data is its textbook. Machine learning models are designed to learn from this data. The more data you feed them, the better they understand patterns and make predictions. It's like studying for a test. The more you review, the better you can anticipate the questions. Deep learning takes this a step further. Instead of a textbook, it's as though the machine is learning from real-world experiences. Deep learning models, or artificial neural networks, mimic the human brain's structure. They consist of layers of nodes, akin to our brain's neurons, that process information and pass it along. Just as we learn from experiences by creating connections in our brain, these models learn by adjusting the weights of the connections between nodes. They excel at tasks like recognizing speech, identifying objects in an image, or understanding the sentiment behind a text. But what if we want our machine to not just learn but also create? This is where generative models come into play. Say, for instance, you've seen hundreds of pictures of cats. If someone asked you to draw a cat, you could probably sketch a rough approximation. That's what a generative model does. It doesn't just recognize cats, it can generate new cat images. It's like an artist who has studied countless portraits and can now paint a new one. One fascinating subtype of these models is generative adversarial networks, or GANs for short. Here we have two models, a forger and a detective, in a continuous game of cat and mouse. The forger creates new data, like our cat picture, while the detective tries to distinguish between the real and the forged data. As the forger gets better at creating convincing fakes, the detective improves at spotting them, leading to a symbiotic relationship that refines both models. These models learn from data, but it's not just about quantity. Quality is key. It's like trying to bake a cake with the wrong ingredients. No matter how many times you try, the result won't be a tasty cake. Similarly, if the data fed to these models is biased or incorrect, the predictions they make will also be flawed. It's also worth noting that these models are not standalone entities. They often work in tandem, complementing each other. For example, a machine learning model might first filter out irrelevant data, a deep learning model might then extract complex patterns, and a generative model might use these patterns to create new data. These AI models are not just theoretical. They're powering some of the most innovative applications in our world today. From voice assistants that accurately transcribe our speech, to self-driving cars that navigate complex traffic patterns, to healthcare algorithms that predict diseases, AI models are revolutionizing the way we live and work. But that's a story for another scene. From healthcare to entertainment, AI is revolutionizing industries and redefining possibilities. Let's embark on a journey through the real-world applications of AI, and you'll see just how pervasive and transformative this technology really is. Consider the healthcare industry. AI models are playing a crucial role in diagnosing diseases and predicting health risks. Using vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and anomalies that might escape the human eye, making early detection of conditions like cancer or heart disease possible. This predictive power of AI not only saves lives but improves the quality of life for countless patients worldwide. Venture into the automotive industry, and you'll find AI at the heart of self-driving cars. These vehicles use AI models to interpret data from sensors, cameras, and radar to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make complex decisions in real time. The potential for safer roads and more efficient travel is immense. Now, let's switch gears and look at the entertainment industry. Ever wondered how Netflix or Spotify seem to know precisely what movie you'd like to watch or song you'd like to listen to next? That's AI in action. These platforms use machine learning algorithms to analyze your viewing or listening habits and recommend content tailored to your preferences. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your tastes inside out. AI's influence extends to the realm of finance too. Financial institutions are using AI models for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. By analyzing past transactions and market trends, AI can flag suspicious activity, assess creditworthiness, and even predict market movements. Even our everyday devices and apps are brimming with AI. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, the voice-activated AI assistants we've come to rely on, use natural language processing, a form of AI, to understand and respond to our commands. Moreover, AI is making strides in environmental conservation. It's being used to track wildlife populations, predict natural disasters, and optimize energy consumption, contributing to more sustainable living. It's clear that AI is not some distant futuristic concept. It's here and now, touching every aspect of our lives. But it's worth noting that AI learns from the data it's fed. The more diverse and accurate the data, the more reliable and unbiased the AI's decisions will be. This emphasizes the importance of careful and ethical data collection and usage. The potential of AI is boundless, and these examples barely scratch the surface of what's possible. AI is not just a tool, it's a partner, an assistant, and a guide, helping us navigate a world that's increasingly driven by data. As powerful as AI is, it's not without its challenges, but that's a discussion for another time. For now, let's marvel at the incredible ways AI is transforming our world. Despite all its promise, AI also presents new challenges to society. As we entrust more of our decisions to artificial intelligence, concerns around data privacy naturally arise. How do we ensure our personal data remains secure when AI systems are constantly learning from it? And what about ethical considerations? As AI systems become more autonomous, ensuring they make decisions that align with our ethical norms becomes critical. A key challenge is to balance the benefits of AI with these risks. This is why responsible AI development is so crucial. It involves creating systems that are not just intelligent, but also transparent, fair, and respectful of our privacy. The future of AI, though filled with challenges, is also ripe with potential. As we continue to innovate and research, we inch closer to a future where AI can significantly improve our lives. But with ongoing research and a responsible approach, the potential for AI to improve our lives is limitless. Let's continue exploring this fascinating world of AI together.